Finding a balance between studies and fun can be challenging, especially during holidays. Mom says, but it's essential for both academic success and personal well-being. Hey, my sweet child, I know it's your holiday, but I think you should use this time to catch up on your studies, the child says. While studying is crucial, it's equally important to relax and recharge. Mom, I get that studying is important, but it's also my holiday. I really want to spend some time playing sports with my friends, Mom says. Playing sports helps in staying healthy and relaxed. If you set aside some time for studying each day, you'll still have plenty of time to play. The child agreed, proposing, how about we make a schedule? I can study in the mornings and play sports in the afternoons. Mom emphasized, it's not just about setting the schedule, it's about sticking to it. The child promised to manage both, adding, I'll show you my progress each day if that helps. Finding a balance is key. With a well-planned schedule, holidays can be both productive and fun. Let's make this holiday productive and fun, said Mom.